Morning, all everyone. Myself, Dr. P.D. Kharel. Today, I am going to talk something about preemptive analgesia. First of all, I would like to start from the definition of pain. Pain is an unpleasant awareness and or sensation to the body. And analgesia. What is analgesia? The loss of sensitivity to pain without loss of consciousness is termed as analgesia. Loss of sensitivity to pain is analgesia. Whereas the preemptive analgesia, it starts with the before the surgical procedure. The treatment for preemptive analgesia, it starts before the surgical procedure. It works by preventing the central sensitization for the pain. The concept of preemptive analgesia was coined or started by George Washington Cryle in the early 19th century, that is 1939 AD. Before performing the surgical procedure, before the incision process, the preemptive analgesia itself starts. The benefit of preventive analgesia is it reduces the use of post-operative analgesics and automatically the post-operative morbidity will be reduced. After the concept of preemptive analgesia, several drugs has been tried for the preemptive analgesia procedure purpose. So many authors, so many scientists, they are doing research, but still there is controversy in that. Some of the authors, they are saying preemptive analgesia is useful. It causes, or we can say, after following the preemptive analgesia concept, that is doing medication before the surgical procedure, it reduces the post-operative pain and post-operative discomfort and automatically reduces the use of post-operative analgesic drugs, especially the narcotic analgesic drugs, which are morphine and all those drugs. They are centrally acting analgesics in deep visceral pain surgeries or major surgery cases used to be prescribed. Those medicines will be, the amount of the medicine will be reduced, and the thing is the quantity of the drugs it can be reduced if you adopt the pre-analgesia procedure, and automatically the duration when the need of drug is there, that duration automatically decreases. Some of the people are saying, some of the scientists are saying. In other hand, some of the scientists, some of the others, they are saying there is no use of such kind of preemptive analgesic. It's not working as such. There is no difference. We have observed no difference between using analgesic as preemptive analgesia or post-operative analgesia, same thing. But whereas other scientists, they have proven in their research, so it's still controversial. So there is need of lot of research in this field. If the use of preemptive analgesia is proven, it's beneficial for the post-operative pain control. It's really good. Obviously, pain is never accepted. Pain is itself, it's an unpleasant sensory sensation. So pain controlling through the preemptive analgesia is very important.